Hello everyone, I am your host Haroon Zuberi. In this video, we will see that what are the forks in the Git and how can we create it. Other than that, how can we create a pull request to update our library or request to update our library in the GitHub. So let's get started. To make up this video, I have created a sample repository named demo for work and created a file in it named daily schedule. The daily schedule file is actually containing the dummy daily schedule that I have created for this video. As you all know that everyone has a daily schedule and everyone want to manage it according to himself. So I just added up my daily schedule in the file. But as you all know, everyone has his own daily schedule. So if you want to use the repository but want to manage your own daily schedule in it, so you definitely want to customize the code or customize the file in it. For this purpose, the forks came up. The forks allow a user to just fork, or you can say in simple words, to copy all the repository into his own repository and change it according to his own need. And then, if needed, he wanted to request the owner of the repository to have the latest code with the pull request. So let me just tell you what is it. As you can see, I'm in the repository. As you can see in the top right corner, we have the fork option. But as you all know, I'm on my own repository and I'm the owner of the repository, so the forks are not available to me. But if I go to any other repository or any other account, as you can see, I'm here. I just copy the URL, like from here I just copy it, and then I just go here and then I just paste it. Now you can see the repository is here and the fork is available now. Now if I click fork, now you can see watch is 1. Now click fork. After forking it, it will ask me that what repository you are using, what repository name you want to use, and then when I click fork, then it will create the repository on my own domain. You can see the repository is now created on my own username and on my own account. Now if I go to the file and wanted to change it according to my own need, I can simply change it. I click edit. I just wake up at 7 a.m. I just do the workout at 8. I just do the breakfast at 9 and I just leave for the office at 9:30. I just came back at 8:30. I just read to 10 and go back to the dinner at 12. So now if I just go to the update, you can say just simply commit it. Now you can see I have the updated file according to my own need with the same repository that I have created for the demo. Now if you want the person who is the owner of the file, which is this one, have your, you can say, code and want to have your latest update, so you must have to create a pull request. Same as in the case of the packages, guys. Like you can say, if you have multiple packages and you want the package to be the latest code, like you can say in the API the code is updated and you want the package to be updated, so you simply fork it up and change your code accordingly, and then allow the user to create a pull request, and then the owner will see that the pull request is mergeable, then he will merge it. Now you can see I'm now going to create a pull request. In the pull request, as you can see, it is already saying me that you want to merge the main branch from my Haroon Zuberi repository to the 3-second solutions repository. So now if you can see, it is already saying me the change and it is safe to merge. Create a pull request. Now if I create a pull request, now I will have the pull request in the repository. You can say checking the ability to merge. Yes, I can merge it. And then you can say comment. And if I go to the repository here, I go to the refresh the page, and I go to the pull request. You can see I have a pull request here. I will have a look at the pull request. I'll see, okay, what is the code in here. I will go into it, and you can see, go to the repository and see what he had done so far, and other than that I can compare them as well. And I will simply merge pull request, confirm merge, and then the merge request has been approved. So you can see there are 2 participants who is now managing this repository. So in this way, all the repositories in the Git and all the packages have been managing. You can see all the contributors in the Git have been using the same process to earn money. Actually, the main topic for the video and the next video will be how to earn money using GitHub. But before that, I have to tell you this particular fork thing, so that you will know that how to earn money using GitHub. and how to add up the sponsorship in your Git. In the next video you will see that how can we add up the sponsors or how can we earn money using GitHub. So in this video we have learned that how to fork a repository or how to create a pull request in a repository. Also we have just a quick glimpse that how can we earn money using GitHub, and all the packages have been managing all over the world using Git and forks. So that's all for the video. See you next time. Stay tuned with me. Bye bye.